Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to install or how to create a luxury-based store on Shopify. So very quickly, this is our current store. We want to customize this and we want to turn it and make it into a luxury type of design. So here on our template, this is the image banner that we currently have. So image one, let's edit that. What we can do here is we can either upload an image or we can also explore some free images by clicking on this one. So if you click on free images, definitely here, you can like edit. So for example, here, accessories, let's say this will be definitely choose something that strikes luxury. So just click on select and that will be the image right there. But if not, if you have like a brand logo or something else that you want to use, then definitely you can remove this image. Going back to our online store here. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, if you have your own image, you can select an image, add images right here, go to your downloads, and then select like a photo that you have. And then from there on, that would be the image right here. But for now, we're sticking with this image. And then after adding on some image, of course, another important thing is the color scheme. So the color scheme must at all times match the image that you're using. So for this one, we're going to use black and white because our background is black. So in contrast, let's use white. Then here on featured products, you can change that to top luxury brands like so. And here, just change this up. Oops. From there, you can add some descriptions here about the top brands that you have and the like. So this is more on based on your own preferences. So when you're done, just click on save. And then afterwards, you can go to your catalog and here you can now describe your products. At the same time, you can add a section before this part. And you can, of course, add some embeds to it. So you can add in some forms right there. You can add in the logo positions. You can add here some announcements, or if you just want to say like, welcome to our store, then welcome to our store. You can also change the sections right there, just like that. Then you can delete this now. Then here, you can also edit cart. For this one, for the cart, you can definitely um, edit the contents of this. So here, you can follow on shop. You can add some social media icons here, some country or region selectors, language selectors, policy links, and the like. Just go back here to footer. You can also add, very important for the item section, the subtotal. You can add the subtotal pricings here. You can add other sections here, like for example, collection list, like that. your collection name. Just edit this to how you want it to go to. So like your top chosen brands, for example. From there, change the scheme again. So what matters most when it comes to luxury brands or when it comes to creating any website is that you need to have scheming patterns or color scheme patterns. That way your shop won't look disarrayed. And at the same time, it'll look a lot, well, depends on how you want it to look. It will be able to send the message that you want to portray to your customers. Then, of course, very important here is the contact list right there. But most companies wouldn't name this as contact, but rather they would have it named as a subscription. So instead of contact here, you can edit this so that it turns into a subscription page. Right here, contact form, and change that up. Instead, add a section here. Then let's say email sign up right there. Because usually, um, luxury brands in particular do not ask for contact information. Instead, they ask for subscriptions. So that if you have, it's a marketing strategy so that like if you have loyal customers, they'd be instantly aware of the current updates on your business. So, for example, if you have new products to be released, or if you have a sale upcoming, then definitely this will help them in being notified and whatnot. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guide.